One blustery day in the hungry neighborhood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm flying on Tigger, bro!
Happy Wednesday!
Ooh!
We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun! Goodness gracious!
Tigger! Follow me, right this way. Steal honey, beware, beware. Have a lovely moodle, steal honey, beware. Is very confusing. I have a lot more. They come in ones and twosels, but if they're some choozles, before your eyes you'll see them humping by. So be wary, because they come the shifting size. You'll find out they love it, because they well so up the thing you prize. What a wonderful dream!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Happy birthday!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hip hip hooray!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear. If you don't like my present, I'll take it back. Give it present. I do hope you like mine.